Can you guess the NBA category? Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Michael Jordan.
Players who played in college.
No. David Robinson.
To throw you off, Jarrett Allen.
Draymond Green.
Stephen Curry.
Anthony Davis.
This is not
Huh?
light-skinned.
Scotty Barnes.
Dennis
All-stars?
Rodman. No.
What the fuck?
I got one. Bradley Beal.
Nike players? No.
Damian Lillard.
Jeremy Grant.
Oh, fuck, Jeremy Grant connected with... What the fuck is he connected kay Curry and Kareem and Jordan? The fuck?
Carmelo Anthony.
Mikael Bridges.
Elite ball knowledge right there. Mikael Bridges.
Oh.
Kawhi Leonard.
Miles Bridges.
Oh, we forgot Mon. LeBron. Raymond. James.
Kinsa man? Unsa man na?
Kobe Bryant.
Black NBA players?
No. Blake Griffin. Oh, there. Blake Griffin.
Another one. Kentavious Caldwell Pope.
Players who have been in an all-star Saturday?
Larry Bird.
Alex Caruso.
What the fuck? Unsa man na?
Masyado tong madali that you're gonna say, oh, gago, that makes sense. James Harden.
Julian Champagny.
Players who shot like 3?
No. Sorry, I'll make it very, very easy for you. Tyrese Halliburton.
Players who have made a clutch shot?
Another one, John Collins.
Jason Tatum. Notice the players that I'm saying right now.
Jalen Brown.
Kevin Durant. Notice.
Second option players?
Notice. No.
Cade Cunningham.
Anthony Edwards.
Brandon Ingram.
Players with shoe deals?
Austin Reeves.
Josh Hart.
Give up. Give up. Give up.
The category was American player.
Ah, grabe.
Broad, my good. Broad, my good.
Diba? That was good. That was very good.